Hey, thanks for checking out our brochure from WSA. This video is going to be focused on our customer records. So as you can see on my screen, we have our customer records homepage. You'll notice the DBA of the customer, what application or form that they completed, the status of it. You'll see draft, in progress, or completed. Of course, draft meaning that nothing's been started yet. In progress meaning that they started some of it but maybe didn't finish it. We do have an autosave function, so if they only got halfway through, 3/4 of the way through, we'll still capture that data for your team to follow up with them on. You'll see the user tied to that particular customer, created dates, modified dates, any verifications that have been run. You can, of course, filter based on that information. So if I wanted to filter based on certain applications or MPAs that were completed or general forms, the statuses themselves, teams and users, I'm going to show you that just here in a second. And of course, you have the ability to filter the information through our search bar just to search for a particular individual. I'm going to go ahead and click our settings tab real quick. So we have a few different user types in our platform. So you have standard users like sales agents, admins, which would be like managers, and then master admins, like maybe VP, COO, something like that. Within users, you can come in here, add users, change the roles. You can group teams. So for larger ISOs that have ISOs under them, or different sales departments, you can add a manager and then have their own sales teams. For example, Andy, myself, I can go ahead and view my accounts as well as Scott and Colin's. Colin and Scott cannot see each other's accounts. They would only be able to see their own accounts, and then whoever my master admin is, they'll be able to see all teams, all the data, the entire portfolio. Additionally, within our settings tab, you can change permissions based upon those roles and based on our products. So within PDF mapping, within integrations, within customer records themselves, as well as the applications. Can they create it? Can they delete it? Things like that. I'm going to go into a customer record real quick, just to give you an understanding of what the kind of customer record looks like. So we're going to organize the data that's been collected. You, of course, can come in here and create a customer and start pre-filling this information before sending it for completion. So if they want to have a pre-filled app, otherwise you can just leave it completely open. You can view documents that have been completed, so completed MPAs with signatures, the e-signature confirmation page that the processors will likely need, or the underwriting banks, and then any supporting documents that were uploaded or even not uploaded. So in that particular use case, if you requested a document and it was not uploaded, it'll have a not uploaded icon. But maybe they send it to you via email. I can come in here, upload a document, give it a specific name just for organization's sake. I can download the data from here. I can export the data as an Excel file, or we even have some light integrations into HubSpot and Iris. So if you just wanted to pass over basic contact information, that's out of the box. We have a link in our Knowledge Center that can show you how to do that a bit more. If you'd like to learn more about this, feel free to reach out to Colin and myself, and we'd be happy to connect.